Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a card holder with paper. To begin, gather your supplies. You will need one sheet of sturdy paper, like cardstock, along with a ruler and a pencil for marking. Don't forget scissors or a craft knife for cutting, and some glue or double-sided tape to secure your folds. These simple items are all you need to create a functional and stylish card holder. Now, let's start with the main construction. Take your paper and measure a rectangle of 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Next, fold the paper in half lengthwise, ensuring a crisp crease down the middle. Then, fold the bottom edge up by 2.5 inches and the top edge down by 1.5 inches. These initial folds are crucial for the structure. With your paper partially folded, it's time to create the card pockets. Fold the sides inward by 1 inch on each side, then unfold. Carefully cut along the fold lines on the bottom flap. Now, apply a small amount of glue or tape to the side flaps you just created. Press these flaps firmly to the main body of the paper, forming two distinct and secure pockets for your cards. You're almost done. For the final step, fold the top flap down over the newly formed pockets. Secure this top flap with a small dot of glue or a piece of double-sided tape to keep everything neatly closed. Allow the glue to dry completely to ensure a strong and lasting hold. Congratulations! Your very own handmade paper card holder is now ready to organize your cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.